Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. So these are my colours. That one is TLP Psych, one of the new pigments from Fluid Art Co. It's a neon teal. And this is another new one, Wild Atlantic, also TLP. TLP Unicorn, this is a shifting pigment. It goes from blue to violet. You can just see the violet on the mixing stick there. Really pretty pigments, one of my favourites. And I'm painting on a MDF round, it's 13 inches today. My pillar paint is British Paints, that's the name of the paint, the brand name. Phthalo Emerald by Pebeo, that's a transparent. I like to put a transparent paint underneath my cell activator. So my pillow paint is, I'll tell you about my pillow paint in a minute. This is Boomgel Stain Pearlescent Pearl. Cell activator Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, mixed with Australian Floetrol. Nothing else. And this is equal parts of Atelier Titanium White and Amsterdam Titanium White. Again mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. Now I'll tell you about my pillow paint. It's British Paints, that's the name of the brand, straight out of the can, nothing else added. Okay, I'll let you watch. I'm also embellishing this, which is included in this video as well, because I stupidly touched the centre. I don't know what I was doing. Before I realised it, my finger was, and I literally stroked it. Stroked the painting with my finger, and it literally dragged the paint. Can you believe it? Oh, I don't know where my head was at, but oh, what a mess. So I couldn't use acrylic pens because obviously it was all lumpy bumpy. Just a real mess. So you'll see what I do, and it'll give you some ideas, if you're as daft as me, what you can do. Thanks all for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll let you watch now. Bye.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over. it's over, if it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
So as it isn't smooth, I can't just use acrylic pens this time. I've got to use something else. So I'm using, it's Pebeo Vitria in Pearl. And then I will fill it in afterwards once that's dry with the Pebeo Prisme Fantasy Paints, the ones that dry like enamel with a honeycomb effect.